I'm pretty tired. I think I'll go home now.
Yeah, this is what you call when the earth takes a shit.
But it is open.
It is open.
I think I'm trying to go. I'm like walking out. Is it this way? This side. Wow,
Yeah, this is neat.
this is so cool. I think it ends here.
Yeah, it ends here. Actually, no, it keeps going. Yeah, I'm curious to see where it keeps going. Okay, it just goes around here. Look at the size of these rocks.
I know, they're huge.
That's what she said.
Oh, it makes a circle.
Oh, maybe it does make a circle. Or maybe you're not supposed to go.
Let me catch up to you.
Well, maybe you're not supposed to go this way. I don't know. Okay.
Even though we got video.
Look at these plants growing in lava.
I was reading that thing. It talked about how,
It's nutrient rich.
well, the wind brings soil,
Yeah.
and the breakdown of the lava
Yeah.
makes soil.
Yeah.
And there are little tiny pockets of soil where vegetation can grow. That's pretty cool. Look at that hole.
Well, this is how Hawaii got started.
So pretty.
You know, Hawaii was just this, and then birds brought the plants in.
Yeah.
Now, why a bird would fly out in the middle of nowhere? That's
Because they can.
a good question, right?
Oh, this is so cool.
Look at this.
I love it.
And then the fact that you just a pine tree just decides to grow here.
I know, that's crazy.
Up on Four Peaks,
Yeah?
you got a whole little forest of these trees. Yeah.
Is this Aspen?
Yeah. So you just hit this one spot, and there's just like this whole forest you walk through, and it's just these trees. It's like a fairy tale when you go through it.
Neat. Oh, this is a little bit of a hike. Going back up.
I didn't know there was gonna be hiking on our motorcycle trip.
I know, right?
surprised to let you walk up into this thing.
I am too. This is so cool. Oh, here we go. This tell us all about it.
Now, if they built these stairs, I'd be really impressed.
Yeah. This is so cool.
Yeah, it really is cool.
These windows for classrooms.
Well, if whoever lived here was your size.
Yeah, they were.
They're like, you know, they like little people.
Yeah, they did. I'm sure somebody has. That's so pretty. Just that part.
Yeah.
Whoa. Oh, there is a window down there. See, the second part has a window. That's for the first story. Wow, now that's cool. There's 3 windows. That thing has 3 windows.
Oh, wow. 3 stories.
Something I noticed on this side was they had a bunch of tiny windows. Small windows like the size of one rock,
Yeah.
all across one row. And I think it was for irrigation, like
Oh, yeah, that makes sense.
if water got in the roof,
Yeah.
it would go out those holes.
Yeah, that makes sense.
Because you can see all the little tiny windows. See how they go in a line, kind of?
Oh, yeah.
And there's some all the way to that side.
Yeah, that could have been irrigation.
Irrigation.
Could have been ventilation.
Ventilation, that too. So pretty. pretty tired. I think I'll go home now. That's good.
Anyway, like I was saying, I had a lot of company. My mom always said, you got to put the past behind you before you can move on. And I think that's what my running was all about. I had run for 3 years, 2 months, 14 days, and 16 hours.
Quiet, he's gonna say something.
I'm pretty tired. I think I'll go home now.
Now what are we supposed to do?
And just like that, my running days was over.